In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a direct deposit form on the CIBC mobile banking app. Having easy access to your direct deposit form can simplify processes like setting up payroll, receiving government payments, or any other transactions that require your banking information. Let's dive right in and make sure you know how to find and use this feature seamlessly. To get started, open the CIBC mobile banking app on your device and sign into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Simply tap on the specific account you wish to use for direct deposit. This could be your checking account or any other account where you want the funds to be deposited. Once you've selected the appropriate account, look for the Account Info option. Tapping on this will reveal more details about your account, but what you're really looking for is the option to view your check. So, the next step is to tap View Check. This action allows you to preview a pre-filled void check that contains all the necessary banking details, like your account number and institution information, which are crucial for setting up direct deposits. The next step is straightforward. Simply tap the Open PDF option. This will open a PDF document of your pre-filled void check, giving you a clear view of your direct deposit form. The beauty of this format is that it's versatile and easy to handle. At this point, you have several options at your fingertips. You can save the document directly to your device for later use, download it to your computer, print it out if you need a hard copy, or share it directly from your phone. This flexibility makes it incredibly convenient to provide your banking details to your employer or any other organization that requires them. And there you have it. That's how to find a direct deposit form in the CIBC mobile banking app. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your banking details are always ready and accessible whenever you need them. Whether you're setting up a new job, changing your banking details for benefits, or just need to keep a record, this feature is designed to make your life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and advice.